Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna Singh. Welcome back to Incytonomics. So let's start the topic for today without a further ado. In this video, we are going to look at the relation between average cost and the marginal cost with a mathematical perspective. Okay, so let's start this topic. First, let me define what is average cost and marginal cost. So, AC is the average cost. Okay, so it refers to the per unit cost of production. Per unit cost of production. That means आपको एक यूनिट आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए कितना कॉस्ट आ रहा है. ओके, दैट इज योर एवरेज कॉस्ट. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड मार्जिनल कॉस्ट. Marginal. It is an additional unit cost of production. You can say extra cost incurred to produce one extra unit of output. Okay, so your average cost equals to total cost divided by Q, and your marginal cost is equals to del TC by del Q. Okay, and marginal cost represents the slope of total cost curve. Slope of TC curve. You're like change in total cost as a result of change in total output. Okay, that is your marginal cost. And average cost is the ratio of total cost to the output. Okay, so आप इसे इसको अगर टोटल कॉस्ट के फॉर्म में लिखना है तो आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो. टोटल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू average cost into Q. Now we'll look at the mathematical derivation of relation between average cost and marginal cost. Okay, so as we know हमारे पास क्या क्या information, average cost is equals to the total cost divided by Q, and then we can say total cost is equals to average cost into Q, like this. And second, marginal cost is equals to differentiation of total cost with respect to Q. Okay, so as we know TC is equals to AC into Q, so we can write differentiation of AC into Q del Q. Okay, now when we average cost and Q are variable, so when we differentiate it first based on the rule of differentiation, and marginal cost del AC into Q divided by Q, तो आप क्या करोगे, पहले एवरेज कॉस्ट को एज इट इज रखोगे, क्यू के रिस्पेक्ट में सॉल्व करोगे, देन आप क्या करोगे, देन आप क्यू को एज इट इज रखोगे और एवरेज कॉस्ट के रिस्पेक्ट में सॉल्व करोगे. ओके, सो आप पहले आप एवरेज कॉस्ट को एज इट इज रखते हो, क्यू के रिस्पेक्ट में सॉल्व करोगे. ओके, क्यू को सॉल्व करोगे डेल क्यू प्लस, अब आप क्यू को एज इट इज रखोगे और एवरेज कॉस्ट के रिस्पेक्ट में सॉल्व करोगे, लाइक दिस. ओके, क्योंकि एवरेज कॉस्ट एंड क्यू बोथ आर वेरिएबल फैक्टर्स, बोथ आर चेंजिंग. ओके, दे आर नॉट फिक्स्ड फैक्टर्स. ये डेल क्यू से डेल क्यू कैंसिल आउट हो गया, आपको मार्जिनल कॉस्ट का क्या एक्सप्रेशन मिला, मार्जिनल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल्स टू एवरेज कॉस्ट प्लस क्यू इनटू del AC by del Q. Okay, so this is the final mathematical relation or an expression to express that relation between marginal cost and average cost. So del AC by del Q is the slope of average cost curve. Slope of average cost curve. Okay, ये क्या बताता है, change in average cost. It measures the change in average cost is a result of change in output. Okay, this is the slope. Well, Q is the output produced, and AC is your average cost, and this is your marginal cost. Okay, so we got this expression. Now, based on the slope of average cost, we'll define the relation between marginal cost and average cost. So there are three situations. Okay, so let me use different color. So there are three situations. First one, when slope is del AC by del Q, when slope is positive, that is greater than 0. When slope is positive, that means your average cost is changing. Change in average cost. Okay. Change in average cost is greater than change in Q. Okay. That means slope is positive. And positive slope क्या बताता है? Up to like 1-to-1 relation, direct relation. Direct relation between average cost and Q, like this. Okay. आपकी average cost rise कर रही है with the rise in Q. Okay, like this. So when your average cost, the slope of average cost curve is positive, greater than 0, in that scenario, based on this particular expression, this term will be positive, this term will be positive, some number, positive number कुछ 2, 4, 6, 8 कुछ number होगा, right? So and you have some average cost. When you add some number, you will get marginal cost which is greater than average cost, like this. And just for example, let's say Q is equals to 2. हम लोग इसमें देख रहे हैं कि Q जो आउटपुट है वो पॉजिटिव है. ओके, कि आप कुछ ना कुछ तो प्रोड्यूस कर ही रहे हो, जीरो आउटपुट नहीं है. ठीक है, Q है 2, लेट्स से आपका आउटपुट आप 2 यूनिट प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो एंड आपका स्लोप आया है, लेट्स से स्लोप है 1. सिंपल. ओके, देन consider average cost is equal to 4, let's say. Then what will be the marginal cost? आप कुछ भी नंबर ले सकते हो, कुछ भी. So average cost 4 plus Q2, स्लोप क्या है 1, तो क्या आएगा 4 plus 2, 6. मार्जिनल कॉस्ट कितना आया 6, एवरेज कॉस्ट कितना था 4. So when your slope is positive and your Q is positive, then you got this relation between marginal cost and average cost, that marginal cost is greater than average cost, which means this implies that average cost curve is rising and marginal cost curve is above the average cost curve. Okay, so when your marginal cost, when your slope of average cost curve is positive, then in that scenario marginal cost is greater than average cost, so that implies that your average cost curve is rising. Okay, like this, and marginal cost curve is above the average cost curve. Okay, and we'll also look at the graphical illustration of this. Now second case, when the slope of average cost curve is negative. Okay, when the slope of average cost curve is negative. Okay, when slope is negative, it implies that change in average cost is lesser than change in Q. Okay, so when slope is negative, it implies an inverse relation between average cost and Q. Okay, when there is an inverse relation, that means average cost curve is downward sloping. As you increase Q, your average cost will fall. Okay, so you have a downward sloping average cost curve. So in this scenario, based on the above expression, your marginal cost is lesser than average cost, That implies that average cost curve is falling. Okay, so average cost curve is falling and marginal cost curve is below the average cost curve. Okay, so when your slope is negative, the slope of average cost curve is negative, average cost curve is falling, and marginal cost curve lies below the average cost curve, and marginal cost is lesser than average cost. So हम लोग ऐसे भी देख सकते हैं, हमारे सेम सेम कंडीशन यही रखता है, लेकिन अभी हमारा जैसे यहाँ पे स्लोप था पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव था, लेट्स से इट इज नेगेटिव नाउ. ओके, बाकी सारी कंडीशन एज इट इज रखते हैं. देन फॉर एग्जांपल एवरेज कॉस्ट हमारी 4 थी प्लस Q2 और स्लोप नेगेटिव है यहाँ पे हमारा, देन यू विल गेट 4 minus 2, it will be 2, then your marginal cost will be 2. So you can say that आपकी एवरेज कॉस्ट कितना है 4, marginal cost कितना है 2. So this is a scenario of that marginal cost is lesser than average cost, right? Now we'll look at the third case. Third case, when slope of average cost curve is 0. Okay, this implies that change in average cost is equals to 0. Okay, in that scenario your average cost is minimum because with the change in Q there is no change in average cost. So in this scenario your average cost is constant. Okay, so average cost is constant, and this implies that average cost is minimum at this point. Average cost is minimum at a point where average cost is minimum at a point where slope of average cost curve is 0. Okay, so in this scenario when you put average cost by del q is equals to 0, then you will get marginal cost is equals to average cost. Okay, and in this scenario your marginal cost is equals to average cost, and marginal cost curve intersect the average cost curve, okay, at its minimum. So normally ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है that so that marginal cost curve intersect the average cost curve at its minimum. So when the slope of average cost curve is 0, average cost curve is minimum. Okay, and at that point marginal cost is equals to average cost. So graphically marginal cost curve intersect the average cost curve at its minimum. Okay, and हम लोग based on our example the given values हम लोग prove भी कर सकते हैं. In this scenario our del AC by del Q is 0. Okay, so when marginal cost average cost 4 था हमारा, Q2 था, slope 0, then in this scenario you will get marginal cost is equals to 4, और हमारा average cost कितना था 4. So when the slope of average cost curve is 0, your marginal cost is equals to average cost. So the relation between marginal cost and average cost depend on the slope of average cost. Okay, now we can also depict all these cases using graph. Okay, so based on these three scenarios we get a U-shaped average cost curve, parabolic curve like this. This is our average cost curve. Okay, then our marginal cost curve look like this, like this. Okay, this is your marginal cost curve. Okay, at the point where marginal cost curve intersect the average cost curve, this one. Okay, and at this point the slope of average cost curve is 0. So let's say this is point. Okay, okay. I'll draw 3 situations. A, B, and C, 3 points. So at point A, now you can also, okay, see using these graphs. At point A, your average cost is greater than marginal cost, right? At point A, average cost is greater than marginal cost. At point B, average cost is equals to marginal cost. At point C, marginal cost is greater than average cost, right? है ना, ग्राफ को देख के भी ये चीज अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हो that at point A, average cost curve is falling, right? And marginal cost curve lies below the average cost curve. Okay. At point B, both marginal cost curve and average cost curve intersect each other and they are equal to each other. And at this point, slope of average cost curve is 0, like this. Okay. And at point C, marginal cost is greater than average cost curve, and at this point, average cost curve is rising. Marginal cost curve lies above the average cost. Okay, this is the graphical depiction of. And in all these scenarios, our Q is positive. Okay. In all these 3 scenarios, we have Q as positive. Okay, only the slope is changing. At the left of V, average cost is falling. At the right of V, average cost is rising. Okay, and B point is the point of inflection. Okay, and this is the minimum point. At point B, your average cost is minimum. So when marginal cost curve is equals to average cost, when marginal cost intersect when marginal cost curve intersect the average cost curve, marginal cost is equals to average cost, and at this point average cost is minimum. Average cost is minimum. Okay. Okay. So this is an graphical depiction of this mathematical relation between average cost and marginal cost. And this is an important topic. ये like काफी सारे exams में पूछा भी जाता है that what is the relation between the two. And I hope आप लोगों को clear हुआ होगा. We are done with this video. Thank you so much for watching our content. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you had any queries and observations, please do let us know on our comment section. And you can also join us on our Telegram channel where we'll upload all the links of the YouTube videos and also provide the PDFs and important book notes with respect to economics. Thank you.